Alrighty, again, back on duty, audit them, your favorite auditor. This is Broadview. I came here in the past. I'm here on a revisit. I did not check section 4 in the past, so I'm here to do that today. I think that's the Swahili flag, if I'm not mistaken. So I did not check with section 4 with them in the past, but I'm about to check that today. I don't see anything prominently displayed as of right now. Let me go ahead and verify with this gentleman here.
What's that for?
Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the city of Broadview. How can I help you today, sir? What's that for? This is for accountability and transparency. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
What am I here for? Yeah, that's a reasonable question. Could you guide me to where the block diagram showing functional subdivisions is?
No. Check with the building department.
No, sir, that does not require building. What's the first name of the clerk?
Kevin,
Is he available to speak to?
I don't know. Yeah. He's not in.
He's not in?
No, that's what I'm told. He's not in.
Who's the designee FOIA officer?
Designee for the officer.
FOIA officer, designee.
He is the FOIA officer.
Right. He's the designated FOIA officer, but who's the designee?
I don't know.
If you don't know, sir, could you find out for me? I'll wait here momentarily.
Do we have a designee for the FOIA officer? Okay, sir, would you like to leave some information for him?
What type of information would you like, sir?
What do you want?
Well, I need to speak to a designated FOIA officer. Can I have 2 FOIA forms to start off with?
Sure.
Thank you. Okay, sir, thank you. So you see these? I don't see none of these records here prominently displayed. Okay, let me ask them this. Well, let me start filling out this page here. I'm gonna go ahead and hand them section 9B. Okay, this is what I'm here for today, sir. This is one of the things I'm here for. I got it underlined right here. Here it is. Section 9B.
Well, nothing has been denied to you.
No, that's not denied to me. That's not what it says, sir.
All I can help you with, sir, is you fill out the forms, turn them in to me, and I'll date sign it, stamp it, and give you your copy.
This does not require a freedom of information form. This is something separate, sir. What was your name?
My name is Charles.
Charles, okay. This does not require a FOIA form. This, I would read it aloud to you, sir. It says, copies of all notices of denial shall be retained by each public body in a single central office file that is open to the public and indexed according to the type of exemptions asserted. So this is telling us there's a single central office file that's open in this public body, open to the public. I'm here to access that office and view these records.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, you have to wait on Mr. McGree to do that.
No.
I can't let you in.
No, sir, this does not require whether if the employee is here or not. This says open.
Well, I'm not following that.
This is the law here, sir.
It can be the law here, but I'm not following that.
So are you claiming you're not following the law today?
Anything, I'm just telling you. I'm not allowing you access to this building for whatever you're looking for.
Well, therefore, I'll go ahead and ask for your superior, sir.
Okay?
Yep, I'll wait momentarily while you call your supervisor here. Sure.
Leave a message, schedule another appointment, and you will get a return.
All righty.
The job be doing it,
Meanwhile, let me go ahead and start filing out this FOIA form.
2222 South 13. But this is.
Hi, ma'am.
Did you fill out the FOIA request?
This does not require a FOIA form.
Okay, so our clerk, who is
I have-
Kevin McGreer, he can get you all the information you need. All you have to do is fill out the form.
Registration.
Is the clerk on vacation?
No, he's not. He can fill out the form, and then I'll make sure that he gets it for you.
Okay, ma'am, I'm here.
I can make sure that he gets it.
Right, I'm here for things beyond FOIA.
Okay, I can make sure that he gets you all the information that you need. Just tell us what you're asking.
Right, some things, what I'm telling you, do not require FOIA. Section 3.
Whatever that you need, I'll
Yeah.
make sure that the right person gets you what you need.
Okay,
You just tell me what you need.
right, I have other additional items that I'm gonna require.
Just tell me what you
Yeah,
need.
sure.
We can make sure you get the information.
I need a certified copy of an oath of office and bond, certified.
Okay, you can give us, write down everything that you need, and I'll make sure that
Can I
you
send
get
the
it.
bond?
Right, but that does not require a FOIA, ma'am. I don't have to write it down.
I can make sure that you get the information that you need. Just tell me what you need as far as.
Sure, this is what I need right here, ma'am. This does,
Whatever that you need, sir.
yeah, this does not require a FOIA.
Whatever that you need, I can get it for you. Find the person that you need to get the information from. You just tell me what you need.
Your name was?
My name is Mrs. Jones.
Okay, here's what I'll do, ma'am. I'll go ahead and fill out my FOIA form, but I wanted to ask you, is the clerk, he's on lunch? Should I wait a little bit till the clerk?
Sir, whatever information that you need,
Yeah.
I can get it for you. All you have to do is just to make sure that you let me know what is needed.
Right, here's what I'll do, ma'am. I'll go ahead and wait for the clerk. I think he's on lunch because the clerk is the one who's supposed to handle this stuff.
I'll make sure that you get all
Yeah.
the information that you need once you let me know, okay?
Sure, yeah. Give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes. Ladies, pause this for a minute. Okay, sir, I have my 2 forms filled out here. I have a question. What time would the clerk be back in office?
I don't know.
Okay. Is he on lunch?
I don't know.
If you don't know, who knows?
You should know.
No, sir, I don't
Well,
know.
no, sir, I don't know.
Could you find out for me?
No, I can't. No one knows his schedule but him.
Okay, sir. Can I have 2 stamped copies of these forms here? One of my FOIA forms is I'm requesting the clerk's schedule of today. I'd like to verify what was going on. My second request is access to inspect signed and dated oath of office and bond of the city clerk and the personnel file. If I could have 2 copies of these and I'll be all set.
So you
Ma'am?
need your information in order for the clerk to send it to?
No, I'm coming to inspect these records in person. I'll be back.
Okay, so we need your information.
There's no standard form required, ma'am. That's what I put on there is good enough.
Please don't. Thank you.
Say that one more time. If it ain't one thing, it is another. You made a remark, sir. You said you're about to get pissed off. You want to elaborate on that? I'm just a member of the public exercising my rights, sir. I'm verifying if the employees are calm, courteous towards the members of the public, us taxpayers. Verifying if the employees here are fulfilling their job description of handling themselves in a variety of circumstances. Making sure the employees respect the people who pay you to do your position.
Here is the phone I called you. You don't want to say? Okay, that's it. I can say. Yeah, it is. I got everything signed. This is here's everything for the registration.
Have a good day.
Do you have a business card? Oh, I guess not. Alrighty, I went ahead and filled out my FOIA request here. I am all set. Oh, it looks like she gave me 2 copies. So that being said, I'll just take these 2. I'll leave these with them. Alrighty, put my paperwork in order here. Release. Hey, officer, can I ask you a question?
Yes, you can.
Do you know what time the city clerk would be back in office today?
If he's not back, probably around 4, he probably won't be back.
Oh, around 4? I'll sit around and I'll wait because my purpose here today, sir, is this public body here is required to prominently display some records for FOIA, and they're failing to do so. And I might, if in case I believe that it's recklessly or intentionally fail for them to provide any mandatory duty, I would ask the officer to press charges against them.
That won't happen.
If that's not gonna happen,
That's not gonna happen.
if that's not gonna happen, I'm gonna go ahead and charge him with I may charge him with a private person arrest.
Okay.
Okay? What they're required to do, Mr. Mills, is they're required to prominently display this right here. This is from another public body, from a different agency, but this hall is required to prominently display this here. If the FOIA officer is getting paid to do his job, which he's not fulfilling 3 portions, Section 3.5 of FOIA, Section 4 of FOIA, and Section 9B of FOIA, I'm a regular member of the public.
Okay.
I have the right to come and inquire of this
Absolutely.
stuff. I have right to access these credentials here. But since they're not prominently displayed, since these folks, this man threatened me, and these folks are refusing to provide services, that could be construed as official misconduct. Are you the
Okay.
police chief?
I am.
Oh, nice to meet you, sir. So you are on the police side, the FOIA officer.
I'm sorry?
You are the FOIA officer on the police
I
side.
have a lieutenant that's designated.
Designated, yep. Okay, this is also a question that I'm gonna have to talk with the police. Is the lieutenant available?
No.
He's not today?
No.
When would the lieutenant be?
You can ask any questions to me.
Sure.
I am the chief officer for the police department.
My
I am
man,
the
nice to
direct
meet you.
spokesperson.
So the thing, what I'm here for, one of my purposes is here for,
Yes.
The mayor's looking for you.
Okay.
Anything that you need, you can go on our website. It's www.broadview-il.gov.
that's not good
Okay.
enough. But you could turn
Thank
around
you
and walk
so
away.
much.
Turn around and walk away.
Please don't
Because,
disrespect me.
ma'am, that's what you're
Thank you.
doing anyway.
Excuse me.
You're
Can you
disrespecting the
open?
members of the public.
Thank you.
You're disrespecting the taxpayers, ma'am. From the river to the sea, Palestine will be free. So let's go ahead and wait here for the... Waiting for the police chief. He said he may be assisting me, ma'am, since the employees on this side are refusing to abide by the state law. Sir, maybe you don't understand the importance of my visit right now, but in the near future, you'll see who is standing in the right and who is standing in the wrong. In the near future, you'll realize that stuff. So I'd like to set an appointment, sir. Yep, cool. Should I walk across the hall to that counter?
You can't stay at that window.
Sure, yeah, I'm all done on this side.
All right.
This side is all finished. I'd like to set an appointment. If you'd like to, if I'd like to know what did the mayor convey to you,
That's not your business.
I'll request it in public records to find out.
It's not going to be a public record.
Of course it is, sir.
No, I had a conversation with the mayor.
Okay. Sir, the conversation should be about this gentleman is right because there's requirements from the state that require.
What I just spoke with the mayor about has nothing to do with you.
Oh, okay, I see. But if you could relay that to them, because I'm trying to have you folks do the right thing. I'm trying to build allies with good folks such as yourself. I don't respect the hostility and the threat from this man right here. Okay? These requirements are required to be prominently displayed. Last thing that you folks would tell me, sure, give us the statute, we'll try to become compliant, and then when you come back in the near future, we'll have it all on the wall displayed because that's what the law says. That's all I'm asking for you guys to do the right thing, but I don't appreciate the disdain and the threats that these folks provided for me.
Well, I don't know what happened over there, but what I am telling you
Yeah.
is that any of your concerns will be addressed. Like I said, we have a village attorney who will ensure that we meet all our compliances.
Yeah.
And if we fall short, they will tell us how to correct it.
But the thing is, the actual FOIA code, it doesn't say attorneys in charge, it says the FOIA officer make the determination.
But we still
Get it
have
to
an
counsel.
attorney
Yeah, sure.
that we seek
Sure.
for advice.
But that's not what the
That's
law
not
says.
what,
Yeah.
it's not their job to
Okay.
bring us into compliance. That's our responsibility.
Sure, but police chief, in the near future, I'd like you to recall that, hey, you know what, that gentleman that came in, he was really trying to do the right thing. He's trying to have us
I'm
do
not
the
saying
right
that
thing.
you're not.
Yeah, so as far as the clerk, it's really, they tell me that the city clerk is also the FOIA officer designated. for the city side. So these portions are really required of him or her, whoever the city clerk is, of the city clerk to fulfill these duties. And I'm just bringing that to their attention.
Do you have your contact information that I can give to him, that he can reach out to you?
Yeah, well, I did provide the young lady with 2 FOIA requests. I did not provide contact information because I'm coming back to inspect these records. But now, as far as his appointment goes, to set up an appointment, how would I go about that?
Well, when our village clerk, Ms. McGreer, contacts you, you can talk to him about that.
He won't be contacting me. I will be coming back in 10 days of compliance to inspect the records.
Well, that's if we even can fulfill some of your requests.
Oh,
By law, there are certain requests that by law, we do not have to fulfill at your request.
Right, but the records that I'm seeking, guarantee will be fulfilled. Guarantee they will not withhold these records. Guarantee.
We'll see.
Because I'm requesting an oath of office and a bond of the city clerk. That's not exempt. That's subject to public disclosure.
Well, again, this is what you're saying. We also have our rules and regulations. And trust me when I tell you, this is a village.
Yeah.
We have attorneys, and any legal advice we seek, that's who we go to.
Right, but what I like to always say, sir, is that in the long run, in the near future, there's going to be a distinction between right and wrong. I strongly believe that these folks are in the wrong.
Okay.
About this portions, 3.54 and section 9B, because I'm looking at that wall, this stuff is not prominently displayed.
Okay.
This is the superior duty stuff. I don't have my forms with me today. The forms usually are complaints and say, hey, look, if I wanted to be press charges and say these folks are not complying, I don't have that forms today.
Okay.
But verbally, I told you, and you did not want to hold these folks accountable for official misconduct. Section 720-33-3, official misconduct means any government employee who intentionally or recklessly fails to perform any mandatory duty prescribed by the law. So with these folks,
Do you know how the statute of official misconduct works?
yes.
Who has to charge that?
Well,
Listen,
yeah.
because you're wrong.
Okay, I'm listening.
Official misconduct must be charged by the prosecuting agency, which in this village is the Cook County State's Attorney's Office.
Yeah, that's very true. But my claim could be a claim up until that point.
But it's your claim.
Sure,
you
yeah.
just said to me that I failed to do my job. I can't charge anyone with official misconduct. That has to come from the Cook County State's Attorney's Office.
Well,
through an investigation.
Right. That may be an interpretation because it further says that's a Class C misdemeanor. So, for example, law enforcement officers such as yourself, you folks arrest people, you folks cite people with violations, city ordinances, all type of stuff. But now when it comes around that you folks are the employees are the ones who are violating the law, now you're telling me that it's up to the DA. But that could be construed that way, and it is.
Is there anything else you need from us?
I think I'm all set. I filed my paperwork and I'm all set, good to go. Let me just ask you these 2 last questions, sir, because you seem like you're a police chief for a reason.
Okay.
Okay. Out of 1 to 10, how seriously do you take your oath to the Constitution? Out of 1 to 10.
Now, you don't take an oath if you don't take it seriously.
Okay, so I'm going to say you take a 10 out of 10. Would that be fair?
I've answered your question.
Okay, my next follow-up question is, sir, you take it very seriously. I know you do. Can you tell me what's the 5 points of the First Amendment? It's a law enforcement question.
No, I don't have to answer any of your questions.
That's good enough, sir. So what I'll do is I'll come back in the next couple, I grant them an extension for FOIA, and I'll be back within the 30 days to inspect those records.
Okay.
Hopefully at that time they'll tell me, hey, you know what, you were right. We got everything going for you. Have a nice day.
Okay, I hope so too.
Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you.
All right. So this is the city of Cicero, Illinois, and the information is available. So you guys know what to do here. They want to act like that. That's totally up to them. On to the next one. Mother Glary and Swahili, the one who encourages you to audit them.